In this video, I'll show you how to use the Base44 AI Builder. First, open your web browser, go to the Base44 website, and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, click New App to start a new AI-powered project. Next, you'll see a prompt box where you can describe the application you want to build. Be as specific as possible by explaining what your app should do, who it's for, the features you need, and how you want it to look. The more detailed your prompt is, the better the generated app will be. Now, submit your prompt and wait while the Base44 AI Builder creates your application. It will generate the user interface, set up the database if needed, and create the application logic automatically. Once the process is complete, review the generated app and test its main features. After that, continue improving your app by chatting with the AI Builder. You can ask it to add new pages, create forms, connect external APIs, add authentication, improve the design, or fix errors. Each time you make a request, the AI will update your application based on your instructions. Finally, test your app to make sure everything works correctly. Once you're happy with the results, publish your application and share the live link with your users. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use the Base44 AI Builder. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.